Amod is saying this information on unfinished business won't be tradable, but it can help you get out of your trade in time. Is that correct? Yeah, see, I would not say that, but what I would say is that it will give you deeper insights into the market. So I'll tell you what I mean by that. So market is going higher and we have poor trade facilitation. We have these weird structure which are indications of unfinished business. Even this poor structure, failed option anomaly. All these are signs of anomalies and some sort of unfinished business. Now, when the market is going higher, it forms a nice normal distribution curve. So you can argue that buyers and sellers were in balance. And finally, it decides to move higher to look for new area to balance. So buyer now become greater than sellers. They hit this zone and they start balancing again. If the buyers and buyers were greater than sellers and there is an imbalance now, and this is some sort of reaccumulation, we should continue to move higher. Instead of continuing to move higher, we again hit a balancing zone. And also, like when that balancing zone resolves to the downside. So here also there was a balance, but it resolved to the upside. Now you are seeing a gap down opening and a gap is left behind, or there was a late spike here. All this should tell you that, okay, this balance is likely to resolve to the downside. And here it is confirmed that it is resolving to the downside. And now you can look for all these poor structures, because if it is resolving to the downside, it will go and check all these references and see whether there is buying there or selling there. If it cannot uncover buying, then the auction will keep going lower to find buyers. And wherever it finds strong buyers, the auction will reverse or halt or stall or whatever. But till that time, the auction will keep moving low. So if you have poor structure, poor trade facilitation with lots of anomalies and unfinished businesses left behind, and you hit a zone of sideways move, you create a balance and that balance resolves to the downside, then there is a chance that you will go and check all these references.